Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel BTube. If you are new at BTube, please press the subscribe button and click on the like button. Here I will upload all the technology related videos and all other related topics in easy and simple manner. If you are code practitioner or you are beginner, okay, then you must know about code editor. So do you know which is the most popular and widely used code editor? Yeah, it is of course VS Code, which is known as Visual Studio Code. So to download it, just go to Google and press enter. You are wondering why to use VS Code only. So its most logical answer is the features of VS Code, that is debugging, syntax highlighting, intelligent code compression, snippet, code refactoring, and embedded Git, and so on. So Microsoft has provided this most intelligent code editor. So we have to use it and love it. I say love it. So go to visualstudiocode.com. It is the official website. You can see here documentation, updates, blog, API. If you want to read documentation, you can go here and read all the documentation. It is very easy documentation ever. Okay, then if you are using Mac OS, click on here. If you are using Linux, click here. Now I am in Windows, so I will click here. Okay, it will download the stable version for Windows. Just click on save. This is the documentation of VS Code. You can read it. It is very easy to read. Okay, getting started. Now I think it is downloaded. Okay, I'll click on show in folder option. It will show. Here is the executable file which I have downloaded recently. Okay, click on this file. Click on run. Installation setup is opening. Here you can read this license agreement, total and announce, or simply you can click on I accept the agreement. Okay, then next, here create a desktop icon. It is already saved, so I will leave it and click on next. Click on install. Guys, it is extracting the files, so wait for a minute. Finished. Now click on finish. It will launch VS Code. Yeah, you will see the VS Code window. This window is most simple and easy to use, and it is most preferable for a coder. Okay, then at first I will show you the various elements of VS Code. Here, this is new file option, this is new folder, this is your explorer, this is search, this is git, this is run and debug, this is extension. Okay, this is live here. Now I'll first show you how to go live on VS Code. For that you have to click on extensions and search for an extension, that is live server. You to show your web page in live server. With the help of live server, you don't need to reload your page multiple times. Okay, now it's already installed, and you will see here go live option is here. Click to run live server. Okay, we will now close it. Then I will show you how to use it. And simply I will go to Explorer. I will add a first HTML file. This is, I will say it at 1.html. Okay, click on enter. Here I will introduce you another important feature of VS Code, that is image abbreviation. You just type shift and this one, you will get exclamation mark, and this side you will, here is image abbreviation. Image abbreviation is most powerful feature of VS Code that allows you to write your code fast and in an easy way. Okay, press enter. It will automatically provide this boilerplate, that is the HTML code. Here doc type HTML and title is this. Now I'll change the title as First page, I'll say web page. Okay, now if I want to add here something, then you can add something like this, hello. But if you want some random paragraphs or random words, then what should you do? You should simply type lorem and type the number of words that you want. Now I want only 40, so I'll type 40. It is showing like that. To avoid it, just go to setting and click on command it and click on toggle over tab. Okay, and you will get this view and save it. Now I want to open the web page in web browser. Then with the help of live server I can do it like this. Click on go live option and it will start the port 5505 5500. Okay, here if I made we don't need to reload it, it will automatically reload the page. That is the use of live server. Now I'll show another feature of vscode or image, another powerful feature of image. Now I'll erase it. With class para, then I will simply write this p dot para asterisk 2. Get 2 paragraph with class para. Yeah, it's amazing. Now I can type the content here, but I can type simultaneously in both the paragraphs like this. Press alt button and click here and here and start typing hello world. Yes, I have typed simultaneously. This is the powerful feature of image that will help you a lot. And so just I simply save it and it's automatically get reloaded due to the help of live server. Okay, not only this, if you like nap, then you will then realize with class yell is and then you can type like this. It will create automatically. Okay, you can type here list. List is like this. Oh, about like this. Simply save it. It is updated. Okay. This is the use of VS Code. Yes, it will help you if you are a beginner. It will obviously help you to get into the code. I was really at the first time when I used VS Code, I was shocked with this amazing feature of VS Code. I hope you will love it and you will use it in your life. Thank you for watching the video. Please press the subscribe button and like the video and enjoy. Have a nice day.